Hi, this is Uli and welcome back to a brand new episode of how to work with the Airbrush stencils in real time. Today I'm using an old Nokia cell phone and I'm doing the little Scrat on it. I put a sticker of the camera, I used a grinder for the surface, a silicone remover and a clear primer. And colors are black and white as opaque and the rest are candy colors. So I started with the three-part mountain and everything with white, and now I can switch to black and paint the little animal. So it's a very old mobile phone, but the customer wants it for his little kit as an emergency mobile phone, and he said with the picture it isn't stolen so easily. So now I switch to purple, and now I'm going for a light brown. So I'm going to paint everything with this. And in the layer before where I put the purple, I get with the light brown a darker brown tone. So I have like the black, the grey, the purple and the light brown, so I have different shades of the color. Now I'm using magenta for the little feet and part of the eye. Now I'm switching to white, so I get the highlights in the eyes and part of the fur and the nut. And now I'm doing a quick background. For this I'm using first I'm doing the shadow of the nut and doing some cracks freehand. And then I'm using the cover stencil, put a little bit of spray glue on the back of the cover so that it sticks on the surface. And I'm switching to light blue now. And paint everything with it, and I'm using the white with less air or nearly no air for the little droplets, and I'm doing some freehand white on the cracks, and I'm doing some stars, and then the picture is ready. Now comes a clear coat, and then I remove the sticker like the cover stencil here, and then it's finished. If you like my style, you can subscribe to more videos and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.